Hello?
Hello, good evening, ma'am. What would you like to drink? Whiskey, beer, vodka, cocktail? Just roll.
What time do you close?
11:30, 12. Depends on who's drinking.
I'm Sonim.
Hi, I'm Jacob.
So, you own this place?
Nope. I work here.
I'm new here, from Ukhrul, Manipur. Just bought a flat here, near Hoskas.
Oh, il est Tangkhul nào thế? Il est Safdarjung lên bao mày?
Ukhrul Vijayga Piliki Sagazat.
mi gui khơ ngơ yam lê gơ chỉ là khơ yom say gong ra na li mi gơ hai na shung se cơ pai lê gơ shi ma ning thu đơ birin shi pan ngơ tây ngơ ro kha.
Do you have cigarette?
Sorry, smoking is not allowed inside the bar.
I was a bartender here.
Oh.
5 years back.
Welcome back, sir.
That time, smoking was allowed. Uncle Ayo was there.
Are you waiting for someone, sir?
Yes.
요, 손님지는 내려? 이래 아요회 이는 게세이 오늘네.
Thane, apartment pana le.
Nó flat query là house cost le.
Ma, tiêu nào ao quê le.
오, 판나이죠. 아래tum 공에 나서 오를래. 너희 lỡ 왜나 시pai 살아그러다 그 방자자 lỡ খু임다 아바바나 이윌리 까범서 까이노 너희 lỡ 왜나 이윌리 뻔가네 아니.
Si uncle yêu khang ran nawa. Tada khara dong khle. Iwi khran hi hangsik ba mi awi ringpa ne tada. Chinawi ringpa sai.
Nang nui la khawai na, shibai sangai la ba unsal la hi order sa khai chuka khang ik sala.
Tada chi hang pam ji si uncle yêu ringpa la.
Tana chuwa ngani le mwa daw la.
Sim khom rin ma sak bai je ani u khyon nam ning ka. Kyoai nam long water lesa. Tam ji tran we situation na thiru nam sak bai da. Ani ilirek dam sak ngai lam ning ka. Khami rin je cham na hai da bai mle la. Ilang lang phai pong gi daw la. Kala angal yo อาจำทาราใครมีพาราใครมีเนี่ยอยู่อามิงเจก็พิลานะพวกกันมีเนี่ยอามิงจะมั่งมันนิ่งจังเลยนะฮังก็โย่เลย
แต่มิงจะเรียกก็เท่าคิดว่าเป็นแล้วพี่เซ่
มันก็เป็นแบบไม่เล่มเนี่ยก็เอาว่านะพวกกันมีมิงเจเลยใช่ไหมล่ะ
แต่ถ้าก็จะเป็นชาวบ้านนะพอขมีมิงว่าคิดว่าภาษานี้สิถ้าก็
ก็ซิงคือหอยวะ
ก็ซิงคือ
อีชาวไทยเหรอชิมริงกับฮอรัมเว่บิ๊กแฟนนี่จะมองรีเพย์ไทเกอร์ก็ชิมาสามิงเอรักษาอุงก็ชุ่มมันเลยก็ชิมานิงทักน้ำมีหาวอีมีซ้ำกับฟังอีมีให้ชาชิมริงกับฮอรัมหลายจิมช่างนั่นน่ะจากเผาแล้วยัง
มีกุยเคเงยามเลกชีชีนเคยงใจกงรานาลีมีกหายนาชุงเสกไปเลยกชีมานิงทุเด
我昨天那上，查了过一个上的问法。你看了？
唔睇嚟。
你那把手机啦？我肯定从网 free 来的哦。还有这小高是啦？
唔肯定个图mang啦，是明说肯定个图mang，我说白门啦。
是明说肯定从他，是吧？阿个有那里发烧嘞？
才个 in higher sour 啦。
这那里去我查一下。
一零方这个啦，只能那位我查啦。Including today's tips.
When you reach I liga ka kwi khang chana ining li maya chao de.
Is this yours? Mister, is this yours? Okay, then I'll keep it.
It's your lucky day.
Maybe yours.
You calling later right there?
Yeah, yung ba na congratulations ka chance daw kita.
Next week was it all about?
Finally, Army Officer Mr. Jacob. Hosting na ba kulidara kula training na ka chan.
Chưa mới thấy rằng về đi bà. Này lobster. Here. Photo here. Yung người là có vậy nhỉ. Sao bà here our dream job here army officer nữa. Có ở here xem đó là cái clash là cái này sẽ là cái bom gì cái này. 아주 왜나 아위 커프닝 웅숭미에 샤바이니 샤바지 깨악님 바르다. 이위 포싱 와 노리스 왁 다올라 바이. Ke I Daily Tagline Car Survey Nalika Samangkai.
No. Nchavan chavan nui lakha wen hon pamne. They deserve to be with you, not with me here in Delhi. Inya chuina mangsunu say.
What is this?
Ini khani we lungli shop hai Ramchanphi.
So, what would you like to drink? Vodka, whiskey, beer, rice beer? 2 pot. 2 pot. Cái đầu listen. Khởi làm ta sao vậy là emotional thật đó. Apa milih? Singgung pengawai cili?
Promise?
That's one name. Kyo Enclave.
Excuse me, sir. Are you Jacob?
Yes.
Once again. That lady left this for you.
Who?
Imam lai mane. Mom lai lak mane. Singgung panga gai lere nana noti pagui saka. Yung mirin kshi kamang ra ok tui sala rin palagay na ok tui kuye. Ka cancer na I mirin ngun saka wa. Mirin ok tui hili Krishna da ra ok tui awa iwibang. Ka hun kamang lala nana iwi mirin lir in Khararshon saka. Ina mirin beda mom lai lag na ning ni hai chinga. Singgung panga iwi bisan na nali mga soba mer salala iwi uplong na nali tanggachi da marai chinga.
This note?
There was a lady who used to come here every day for the last 5 years. So one day I asked her, "Ma'am, I know that you love our cocktails, and I believe that we make the finest cocktail in this town. But then I had been always wondered that you had been coming back to this cafe for the past 5 years, and you had been sitting on the same table for the past 5 years. So I was just concerned, is there some reason?"
Cocktails were never the reason. 5 years ago, on a quiet evening just like this, I met someone here. He wasn't extraordinary to the world, but somehow he became my world. For the first time in my life, he made my heart feel something that words could never explain. A feeling so pure, so beautiful, that I can't even find a name for it. He left, but that feeling never did. So I came here every day. Not because I'm waiting for him to walk through the door, but because this is the only place which I still have memories of him sitting beside me. Every corner of this bar carries a piece of him. And for a moment when I close my eyes, I feel like he's still here with me, smiling at me across the tables. I come here to remember the most beautiful feeling I've ever known. I miss him.
Ninga pa ning sai ko re kasakha ba o tsakhup de ngate nga roksel haida chaga pa malisa ma iwi ga paning chi ma dama ungshung pa leishia the hauda masaba